Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing what is the ERP recommended framework for a good receive note. So, let's begin. A good receive note process in an ERP system is typically involve the following steps. First, the purchase order creations. A purchase order is created in the ERP system to request goods or services from a supplier. Second, good receive. When the goods are received from the supplier, they are checked for quality and quantity against the purchase order. Number 3, receive note creations. A receive note is created in the ERP systems to document the receipt of the goods. The receive note should include information about the supplier, the good received, and any discrepancy that were identified during the good receive process. Number 4, invoice verifications. The receive note is used to verify the invoice from the supplier to ensure that the goods and prices match the purchase order. Number 5, payment. Once the invoice has been verified, the payments can be processed through the ERP system. Number 6, stock update. The receive note is used to update the stock level in the ERP system to reflect the receipt of goods. Number 7, reporting. The receive note can be used to generate reports on goods received, supplier performance, and other relevant data. It is important to note that the specific step and detail of the receive note process may be vary depending on the specific needs and requirements of your organizations. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.